In the world of finance, building effective investment strategies is your key to unlocking financial success. At Davies Wealth Management, we believe every investor's journey is unique, requiring a personalized approach. Start by defining your financial goals, whether it's saving for a home or planning for retirement. Understand your risk tolerance, balancing emotional comfort with financial capacity. Remember, life changes can shift your financial landscape, so reassess regularly. Asset allocation is the cornerstone of your portfolio, while diversification spreads your risk. Regular rebalancing keeps your strategy on track, and tax-efficient investing maximizes returns. Risk management protects your wealth, ensuring you're prepared for market fluctuations. Implement your strategy with a mix of low-cost index funds and ETFs, and consider alternative investments for diversification. Set up systematic investment plans to maintain consistency and track your portfolio's performance against benchmarks. Stay informed about economic trends, but avoid knee-jerk reactions. With careful planning and ongoing monitoring, your investment strategy can adapt and thrive, securing your financial future. Start today and take control of your financial destiny.